Chemistry. Propamocarb Hydrochloride, HCl, is a systemic fungicide belonging to the carbamate chemical class. Mode of action: it disrupts fungal cell wall synthesis, inhibiting growth and reproduction. Formulation: available in soluble concentrate or emulsifiable concentrate forms for easy application. Uses: 1. Agriculture, controls diseases like late blight, damping off, and root rot in crops such as tomatoes, potatoes, and cucurbits. 2. Greenhouse and nursery, protects ornamental plants from diseases such as Phytophthora and Pythium infections. 3. Turf management, used on golf courses and sports fields to combat diseases affecting grasses. 4. Home gardening, helps amateur gardeners protect their plants from various fungal diseases. Application: Propamocarb Hydrochloride can be used as a drench, soil incorporation, dip, or foliar spray. Follow label instructions carefully for proper use, including dosage rates, application methods, and safety precautions. Always adhere to recommended guidelines to ensure effective disease control while minimizing risks to humans, animals, and the environment. Thanks for watching our pesticide info video. Follow us for more updates and subscribe on YouTube. Your support keeps us making helpful videos. Stay connected.